Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Brinjal and drumstick makes a wonderful combination, especially when it's cooked in South Indian style tamarind based gravy. That's exactly what I'm going to show you guys today. The gravy is full of flavor, it's easy to make and also makes for a great lunchbox recipe. So let's get started and check it out. I'm going to use the whole brinjals in this recipe. So I'm just making slits in the brinjals and keeping them in salt water to avoid their change of color. Now take a white kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. For the tempering, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute until the mustard seeds splatter. Once the mustard seeds splatter, add a pinch of hing, 3 red chillies roughly cut up and about 20 shallots. Also add about 15 garlic cloves, some freshly chopped ginger and 3 slit green chillies. Now saute all these ingredients for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the shallots will be nicely sauteed. At this stage, add a few fresh curry leaves for a nice aroma. Then you can add about 2 drumsticks cut into medium-sized pieces. Give it all a quick mix and cook the drumsticks for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, gently drop the slit brinjals into the kadai. I've taken about 8 purple brinjals here and about 2 drumsticks. Keep the flame on medium-low and mix the vegetables well. Make sure to use tender brinjals and drumsticks for the curry because that's what is going to give you the right flavor for the dish. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Next add 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of rock salt, which can also be adjusted as per your taste. So now mix all these ingredients well and add 1 cup of water. Gently mix all the ingredients so that the masalas will evenly spread out in the kadai. At this point you can add 2 tomatoes for some tangy flavor. Mix it well, keep the flame on medium and cook the curry for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will find that the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now you can add about 1 cup of diluted tamarind puree. Mix well, keep the flame on medium and cook the curry for 5 more minutes. Now I checked for seasoning and I'm adding another half teaspoon of salt. Also add 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder to balance the flavors. Gently mix the curry without breaking the brinjals. Lastly, add some finely chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. There you go, a South Indian style brinjal drumstick curry is ready to be served. The flavors of drumstick and brinjals in the tamarind curry was just superb. You can enjoy this with some nice hot steaming rice. So next time you find some nice fresh brinjals and drumsticks in the market, do give this dish a try. The flavors of tender brinjal and drumstick along with the tamarind gravy, wow, I really enjoyed it. I'm sure you can tell. This is a very simple dish to make and it's best served with some nice hot steaming rice. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.